Hello, good evening, students. Today's transcription number back of 210 on the speed of 100 words per minute. Start. You may have popular series like the Home University Library or similar books or standard volumes written specially and at higher prices. What is required is that works on the latest topics, science, social sciences, all these must be available for the common man and not merely for the students in the colleges. Students in colleges have set courses. They study set things. If they have not got the books, the teachers are there to explain to them what the books contain. I do not want to give very much importance to this idea that teachers should teach through textbooks. If teachers are well educated, if teachers know their subjects, they would teach through classics and not through textbooks. Textbooks are made easy in order to get through the examinations. What is important is that the teacher should know the subject well and he should be in a position to explain the intricacies to students who learn. The issue that we have to face clearly is this. When we have a developing system of education, when year by year the number of students in our schools and colleges increases by millions, it is not possible to keep the standards we had when our college going numbers were very small. At the same time, it is necessary that the standard not merely in colleges but the standard of knowledge of information of critical values must continue to rise if democracy has to function, and therefore it is not merely a question of producing textbooks, it is a question of producing good books, and good books in ample numbers to be made available at cheap prices to people who are educated. Actually, we come back to this question, that is, the problem of continuing to educate the educated. It is not merely a question of educating the people in colleges because science is daily progressing. Research work in social sciences is daily improving. In economics, in history, in all these subjects, there are daily improvements in knowledge. The fact that you took a degree or came through a university with distinction some time ago does not make you an educated man. It is necessary that you should keep in touch with those things so that the standard of knowledge continues to permeate at all levels, even the educated people. For this purpose, what is required is that the latest knowledge should be made available in books, not merely in textbooks, but in the best kind of books, and not merely by translation. Translation can only enrich a language up to a point. Translations are useful as producing a quantum of work for purpose of knowledge.